This is how to open the box quickly. See? Oh. Pakitang gilas to. Pakitang gilas si Paquito Diaz. Pakitang gilas si Paquito Diaz. Oh, that's how to open the box in just 2 seconds. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today, samahan nyo ako, pupunta tayo ng aking work. I'm OFW dito sa Dubai, United Arab Emirates. And yeah, good morning sa lahat. Papasok na tayo ng work today. So kita-kita tayo sa store. So napakaganda ng araw ngayon. Hindi ganong kainit, pero humid pa rin. As usual kasi nasa Dubai, United Arab Emirates tayo. Ayan. Ganda oh. Ito pala yung pick up point ng car lift ko kasi dito dadaan yung car lift namin. So, nandito ako sa corner at dito natin naantayin yung car lift natin. Hi. It's Monday. Supposed to be day off natin ngayon, kaso nga lang due to end of the month at naghahabol kami ng benta sa store, kaya na-cancel yung day off. O, di ba? Laging bukang bibig, girlfriend daw. Kailangan niya daw ng girlfriend from Philippines kasi good. What is this, man? Talking about girlfriend. Already married. This is how to open the box quickly. See? Oh. Pakitang gilas to. Pakitang gilas si Paquito Diaz. Pakitang gilas si Paquito Diaz. Oh, that's how to open the box in just 2 seconds. That's how to open the box. 2 seconds.
Yeah. Good.
It's good. Pakitang gilas si Paquito Diaz. What is that? So this is the third and fourth trolley. Yeah, this is our delivery. My God. This is last 2? One more? Okay. No problem. No problem. Salim is here. It's very fast. Open box like this. Arrange. Tapos na kayo mag-receive ng delivery. So magtatapon na lang ng basura si Mr. Salim. Ayan o. Isang trolley. Kung sa atin to sa Pilipinas, ano yan? Nabibenta yan. Ayan o. So nag-a-arrange na rin ako. Ayan. Punong-puno na ang aming stock room. Maraming salamat. Malapit na rin kayo mag-open, siguro mga 15 minutes. So kailangan kong tapusin to. So guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and paki-share na rin ha. Salamat. Paalam.